Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove Spotify account from other devices. So basically, we can do it in the application itself. So what we're going to do now is we're going to exit Spotify application, go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser, and then log in to your Spotify account. So you can also type m.spotify.com, or you can simply type sign in to Spotify or log into Spotify. Now tap this one right here and make sure that you are currently logged in to that specific account. Click account overview. And as you can see here, if you scroll down, there is this option below, sign out everywhere. Now, once you tap sign out everywhere, you will see a message here that says this logs you out of Spotify everywhere you log in, including the mobile, tablet, web player, and desktop application. So once you're sure that you want to remove Spotify account from other devices, just click sign out everywhere. So there are tons of advantages and importance if you sign out your Spotify from all or on all devices. It will protect your account, security, manage device limits, privacy, and avoid disruptions. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.